In my previous videos, we learned what are resistors and more detailed information about them. So in this video, we're going to learn about their son, which are called variable resistors or potentiometers. So in this video, we're going to learn what are potentiometers, how do they work, and where are they used. So before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe so that my videos will reach towards you. So now let's go into the video. Like resistors, these potentiometers have many values like 10k, 5k, 1k. See, this is a 1k potentiometer, and this is a 5k, and this is 10k. So these potentiometers or variable resistors are mainly used in speed control, like in fan regulators, or volume up and down, like in olden days TVs. So, unlike resistors which have 2 pins, these potentiometers or variable resistors have 3 pins. The centermost pin is called the common, that is, you can connect a positive or negative pin of your battery here, and the 2 terminals is where you connect your components here. So, to understand more easily, let us make a project. Okay, now I am taking an LED and I am using this potentiometer to control its brightness. Okay, let's connect one of the LED's terminals to the either pins at the ends of the potentiometer. So let us take the negative pin of the LED and connect it to the either sides of the potentiometer. I'll connect it to the leftmost side. So as you have connected the negative of the LED here, so we should connect the negative of the battery here to the common, because negative to negative only works. Okay, now let us connect it to the negative of the battery, and let us take a wire and connect it from positive of the battery to the LED's positive. So as you can see, the LED is glowing a bit, and when we turn the potentiometer in either wise, so if we turn the potentiometer clockwise or anti-clockwise, the brightness will fade or glow like this. As you saw, this can do the job of speed control. That is, it could control the speed of a fan, it could control the brightness of an LED, and it could up and down the volume of speakers, TVs, etc. Ah, it smells like it's burned. I came to know that this can handle up to 150 to 200 volts DC, but it could handle only up to 3 milliamperes of current. So it can only be used in Arduino or programming projects. So we can't use in reality, or else it will burn. Okay, to understand this, let's take a paper or notebook like this and a pencil. We all know that the pencil's lead is made of graphite, which is a good conductor of electricity. So let's draw an arc like this and shade it as hard you can, as dark, not hard. Shade it like this. So like this you shade it, and take your multimeter and connect your 2 probes first, then set it to the resistor settings. I'm keeping it 20k for this instance. Now this is our handmade variable resistor. So now take one of your probes. I'm taking the black probe, keep it at one end like this, and take the other end and keep it on and slide it towards here. Slide it like this and see the readings on your multimeter. So I'm sliding like this. What? No readings? I think it's more than like this. Let's keep it. See, when I keep it at the one point, it says 11.6k ohms. So when I slide it here, see the way resistance is increasing, and when I go back, resistance decreases. So we have made our handmade variable resistor. So we all know that as resistance increases, the voltage decreases. So here this is the what? No reading? Okay. So when I come to the end of this, it says 93k ohms. 93k ohms. So the resistance is higher, so the voltage will be low. That's why our LED faded when we turn the potentiometer either way. So when we turn the potentiometer the other way, the resistance decreases and the voltage increases. So LED grows brighter. So this is the same concept that works in a potentiometer. So in the potentiometer, one part will be here and the other part is the knob. When we turn it, it will be like this, joining the dots like our wire. My pencil lead is gone. So okay, anyway, I hope that you have understood what is actually a variable resistor. So don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you.